Okay, we're going to put this on. There we go. There we go. I gotta go practice some music. I'm gonna be singing lead at church. A song called "Let It Be Jesus," and I need to practice it. I know it, but I need to practice it just to keep my vocal chops. I think that's about the most perfect mouth I've ever done. What do y'all think? The problem is I think I had on a regular lip gloss with lip liner, and I put this on top. I wonder if it's going to stay because of that. And then you use the other end, which just has the lip gloss. And there you have it. It's now moisturized, it's shiny, and it sets the lipstick normally. But because of what I just said. Okay, so I was just fixing to put on liner because I wasn't going to do a super dark color in my crease today. And I wanted to try this new stuff. So let me blend out real quick. Hold on. Let me just get a blending brush. This is just a eyeshadow brush from the Stunning collection. This was another, actually this was from, oh no, it was from a different one from It Cosmetics during the Christmas last year. Or was it even 2 years ago now? I'm just kind of blending this out a little bit. Just don't want it to be so, no lines. Even though they're light colors, they still can have lines. And also I am okay with blending these together. I normally don't like to blend my dark colors together. But I'm purposely doing this. Okay, so that's a light blended look. Okay. Now I want to use, this is from L'Oreal, both the, like a metallic pink liner and a black liner. And you do the metallic pink first. I wonder if I should shake this real good. Just say shake. Might as well shake both of them. I got tickle in my nose. I do have to tell y'all that this new Chanel makeup feels thicker. Feels thick. It reminds me of how the La Mer feels. Almost medicinal. That thick. Okay, so this is what they did. Let me make sure my hair's out of the way. They went like this, painting it on. I'm going to go over the purple. Not on it, over it, actually above it is what I should say. Do you see the line? It's very faint. Okay. And you're going to let it dry. I wonder how long it takes to dry. Okay. I cannot wait to put on my yellow fingernail polish. I got to do a really good manicure though. Maybe I should go have mani done. Okay, so I've done a very thick layer of this. Can I tell you this is almost not noticeable? So this is a really cool subtle thing to do. Okay. Okay, so again, this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Liquid Eyeliner. And this one is called, should be something like metallic, Rose Gold. And this applicator is a very tiny like felt applicator. It's not a brush. And it's by L'Oreal. Obviously voluminous, lash blast, all that. I mean, voluminous, sorry. I bet I have, where is it? I thought I had some of that mascara close by. Surely I do, I always have it. Oh well, I don't see it. Alright, so while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to do my brows.